When I came to the University of Michigan to pursue my master's degree in piano performance, I was new to the state. As a newcomer, I was ready to jump headfirst into any opportunity that came my way. One of those opportunities was attending SMTD's Scholarship Showcase and meeting the Ardens, donors who were responsible for helping fund my education. What was most amazing to me about meeting the Ardens was how warm they were towards me, how excited they were to meet and get to know me, and how special it was to learn about Patricia Joy Arden, a pianist and my scholarship's namesake. The experience really connected the dots for me between my scholarship and the people responsible for it. But, moreover, as an out-of-state student, I felt like I had new friends cheering me on. And the Ardens still attend my performances to this day. What I didn't realize about this experience of meeting sponsors, writing thank you letters, and understanding donor appreciation was that I would end up using these skills as a co-founder of Girls Rock Detroit, a community organization dedicated to fostering creative expression, positive self-esteem, and community awareness for girls, women, gender-expansive, and transgender people through music education and performance. I attribute so much of our early success as an organization to the Excel program and its donor-funded opportunities. In 2016, Girls Rock Detroit was awarded the Excel Prize, a $10,000 award that allowed us to fund the purchase of equipment and instruments for the annual Summer Rock Camp program, which made it possible for us to more than double the capacity of our summer camp from 26 students to 56, as well as pilot an instrument loan program. Thanks to the MetaWiser Excel Fund, Girls Rock Detroit received an Enterprise Mini Grant 2 years later, which helped fund the production of a mini documentary on our summer program. Since arriving in Michigan, I've become much more than a pianist. I'm a multidisciplinary artist, a leader, an educator, and an entrepreneur.